طلاب وطالبات الصف الرابع، أهلا بكم ودرس جديد من دروس اللغة الإنجليزية عبر منصة البث المباشر لوزارة التربية والتعليم. Hello everybody, let's start our session for today. Today we will have Unit 8, Lesson 3, Social Studies. Let's start. We have here, we will think and say, what festival do you celebrate؟ يا ترى ايه الاحتفالات ايه المهرجانات او الاحتفالات اللي احنا بنحتفل بيها في مجتمعنا؟ يا ترى ايه الحاجات المناسبات اللي كلنا بنحتفل بيها؟ What festival do you celebrate? Let's start. We have here, we can say, we will look and answer the questions. This is an article for American children. It teaches them about life in Egypt. Is there anything you want to change? يا ترى في حاجة عايز تغيرها؟ Is there any information you want to add? عايز تضيف حاجة؟ Let's start and read. عيد الفطر is عيد الفطر in Egypt. عيد الفطر in Egypt. Okay, we will read. عيد الفطر is a Muslim festival. The month before Eid is called Ramadan. In Ramadan, many Muslims fast during the day. This means they don't eat or drink until sunset. يبقى عيد الفطر مناسبة إسلامية. الشهر اللي بيبقى قبل العيد هو شهر رمضان، وفي رمضان many Muslims fast. الكثير من المسلمين بيصوموا during the day بالنهار، وده معناه إن هم مش بياكلوا ولا يشربوا لحد الغروب. In the month of Ramadan, people think about the past year. يبدأ الناس في شهر رمضان يفكروا في اللي عملوه السنة اللي قبلها. They think about the things they did well and the things they want to do better. بيفكروا في الحاجات الكويسة اللي عملوها ويفكروا في الحاجات اللي بيحاولوا يحسنوها. It's also a time to help other people. هو أيضا وقت إن احنا نساعد الآخرين. When is عيد الفطر يا ترى؟ إمتى عيد الفطر؟ That's a very good question. ده سؤال كويس جدا. It's different every year. هو بيختلف كل سنة. عيد happens in the first day of the 10th Islamic month called شوال. يبقى هو العيد بيبقى في الشهر العاشر للتوقيت الهجري طبعا، والشهر ده اسمه شهر شوال. The month starts when the people see the new moon. لما يبدأ الناس طبعا تستطلع الهلال يبتدي يظهر، يبدأ الشهر أو يبدأ العيد. Let's move to another part. Lots of كحك. كحك are delicious cookies. حلوى لذيذة. People eat كحك to celebrate. They have nuts, sugar and honey in them. في الكحك ده بنلاقي جواه مكسرات وسكر وعسل. Many families make كحك but you can buy them from a bakery too. في ناس عائلات كتير بتعمله، ولكن ممكن نشتريه أيضا من المخبز اللي بيعمله. عيد مبارك. عيد is the time of celebration and for being happy. يبقى هو عيد، وقت العيد ده وقت الاحتفال والسعادة طبعا، ان احنا بنسعد بوجود العيد بعد ما صمنا 30 يوم في رمضان. People say عيد مبارك to their friends. الناس بتهني بعض تقول عيد مبارك. People go to the mosque and spend time with their families. الناس بتروح المسجد وتقضي الوقت مع عائلتها. They eat delicious food and celebrate. بياكلوا أكل لذيذ ويحتفلوا. Let's move to another part. We have some. First, after we read, we have here some questions. Answer the question. Then read and check. هنبدأ نقول الأسئلة ونجاوبها، وطبعا الشريحة هتظهر بعد كده فيها الإجابات. نبدأ إن احنا نشوف الإجابات مع بعض. Okay, number one. What do people do during Ramadan? What do people do during Ramadan? يا ترى الناس بتعمل إيه أثناء رمضان، شهر رمضان؟ We can say people fast during Ramadan. Number two, What is the name of Islamic month when عيد start؟ يا ترى ايه اسم الشهر الهجري او الاسلامي اللي بيبدأ فيه العيد؟ We can say the name is Shawwal. Yes. Number 3, what are kahk? We can say kahk is a kind of cookie. Kahk is a kind of cookies. Number 4, what do people say to their friends during Eid? بيقولوا لبعض ايه اثناء العيد؟ ايه الكلمة اللي بنهني بيها بعض؟ We can say عيد مبارك. Number 5, how do people celebrate Eid? We can say, yes, people celebrate Eid by going to the mosque and spend time with their families. They eat delicious food. Let's move to the answers. Number 1, they fast during Ramadan. Number 2, the name of the Islamic month when Eid starts is Shawwal. Number 3, kahk is a kind of cookies. Number 4, people say Eid Mubarak to their friends during Eid. Number 5, people celebrate Eid by going to the mosque and spending time with their families. They eat delicious food. Let's move to another part. We will discuss with your partner. Do you agree? Do you agree with all the information in the article؟ يا ترى ايه رأيك؟ هل انت بتتفق مع كل المعلومات الموجودة في المقالة اللي قريناها؟ Number 2, what special days do you and your family celebrate every year? ايه المناسبات الخاصة اللي بتحتفل بيها انت وعيلتك كل سنة؟ هنبتدي نجاوب كده مع اصحابنا ونتناقش. Number 3, which is your favorite celebration? ايه الاحتفال المفضل ليك؟ Why? Number 4, what do you eat for the celebration? ياكل ايه في الاحتفال ده يا ترى؟ What do you eat? Okay. We have here, find out how do people celebrate Eid al-Fitr in other countries. يا ترى الناس بتحتفل بالعيد ازاي في الدول الأخرى؟ Let's move to the answer. People in other countries mainly celebrate Eid al-Fitr by spending time exchanging gifts or money and visiting friends and family. Eating sweets is also a common way of celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Okay, let's move to another part. We have here Sham al-Nisim in Egypt is Egypt's oldest festival. It comes the day after the Coptic Easter. What do you know about Sham al-Nisim? Research and answer the questions. يبقى شم النسيم ده من أقدم المناسبات المصرية أو الاحتفالات المصرية. ده بيجي في اليوم اللي بعد Coptic Easter. What do you know? We will say, when is شم النسيم this year يا ترى? When is شم النسيم? We can say شم النسيم is celebrated every year on Easter Monday, which is the day after Easter. Number 2, who celebrates شم النسيم? We can say, yes, all Egyptians celebrate شم النسيم. هنعرف طبعا الإجابات بعد ما نخلص الأسئلة. What do people eat during this festival? يا ترى بياكلوا إيه أثناء هذا الاحتفال؟ Yes, during شم النسيم people eat فسيخ, dried fish, lettuce, green onions, turbot, and boiled eggs. Number 4, what do people do during the festival? بيعملوا ايه اثناء الاحتفال ده؟ During the festival, people like to paint boiled eggs, also have picnics and spend time outside. Do you like شم النسيم? Yes, we can say. Yes, we can say you like or not. Let's move to the answers. So number 1, when we say when is شم النسيم this year, شم النسيم is celebrated every year on Easter Monday, which is the day after Easter. Number 2, who celebrates شم النسيم? We can say all Egyptians celebrate شم النسيم. Number 3, What do people eat during the festival? During شم النسيم, people eat فسيخ, lettuce, green onions, turnips, and boiled eggs. Number 4, what do people do during the festival? We can say during the festival, people like to paint, boiled eggs, have picnics, and spend time outside. Number 5, do you like شم النسيم؟ طبعا هنقول رأينا، هل بتحبه؟ لو بتحبه هتقول ليه، ولو مش بتحبه هتقول برضه السبب بتاعك. Let's move to another part. Look and write captions for the photo. هنبتدي كده نبص على الصور ونكتب تحت كل صورة جملة. Number 1 محلولة, we play in the park. What about number 2? You can say yes, we color boiled eggs. طبعا هنعرض الإجابات بعد ما نقولها تحت كل صورة. Number 2, we color boiled eggs. And next one, we can say we have picnics in the park. We have picnics in the park. Last one, we can say we eat salted fish and green onions. Let's see the answers. So it will be we play in the park, we color boiled eggs, we have picnics in the park, we eat salted fish and green onions. Let's move to another part. We will think and write a short paragraph about شم النسيم. We will write from 18 to 24 words. هنبدأ كده نفكر كده ونكتب باراجراف صغير عن شم النسيم وما بين 18 ل 24 كلمة. Okay, let's move to another part. Think about another festival in your region or country. Complete the table. هنبتدي نفكر كده في احتفال في البلد بتاعتنا، بلدنا. هنختار اسم الاحتفال, name of the festival, نبدأ نكتبه. نختار مثلا مناسبة تانية. When is it? يا ترى امتى؟ What do people do? والناس بتعمل ايه في المناسبة دي؟ What do people eat? الناس بتاكل ايه؟ What do people wear? الناس بتلبس ايه في المناسبة دي؟ And last one, why do you like it? ليه بتحب المناسبة دي؟ And last part of our lesson, draw a picture of the festival. نرسم صورة كده للاحتفال بتاعنا اللي هنختاره ونبتدي نرسم صورة دي. Let's move to another lesson. We will have now connect primary 4, unit 8, lesson 4. We have writing. Let's move to the lesson. Look and say, what can you see in the photo? بص كده, نبص كلنا ونشوف يا ترى شايفين ايه في الصورة اللي قدامنا. What can you see? Let's look at the photo and tell me. Okay, we can say, some people are having a meal. They are sitting around a big table. What else? They look like a big family. شكلهم عيلة كبيرة. They are eating special food. It looks like a party. They look happy. Okay, let's move to another part. Read and say, how did the writer feel at the end of the day? We will read great grandma's birthday. عيد ميلاد تيتا. هنشوف كده نقرأ مع بعض. 2 years ago, we had a very special party. My great grandma was 90 years old. All my family came together to celebrate. All my cousins, aunts, and uncles came. ده من سنتين كده احنا عملنا حفلة مخصوص كده. My great grandma was 90, بقى عندها 90 سنة بتحتفل بعيد ميلادها. All my family came together to celebrate. كل العيلة جم يحتفلوا. All my cousins, أولاد عمي, aunts, عماتي وخالاتي, and uncles, طبعا أعمامي، طبعا أخوالي، طبعا كل دول الأعمام كله جه عشان يحتفل بعيد ميلاد تيتا. We had a huge picnic. فعملنا بقى ايه، خرجنا عملنا رحلة خلوية كده في مكان in my aunt's garden، في الحديقة بتاعت my aunt. There was a lots of food, salad, meat, fish, bread, cakes, cookies and fruit. كان في كتير طعام كتير، سلطة، لحمة، سمك، cakes, cookies and fruit. I ate a big slice of chocolate cake. وأنا أكلت شريحة كبيرة من chocolate cake، كنت شوكولاتة. And I drank a bottle of orange juice. وأنا شربت إزازة عصير برتقال. I also ate some salad and fruit. أكلت بعض السلطة والفاكهة. I played games with my cousins all afternoon. We ran, we threw a ball, we sang happy birthday to our great grandma. أنا لعبت ألعاب مع ولاد عمي all afternoon، طول الوقت بعد الظهر. We ran، جرينا، we threw a ball، رمينا الكرة، وغنينا happy birthday to our great grandma. It was a very special day، كان يوم مخصوص because our great grandma كانت was very happy، كانت فرحانة جدا. She liked seeing the whole family، كانت تحب تشوف كل العيلة. We all had fun، كلنا استمتعنا. Okay, so how did the writer feel at the end of the day? Yes, happy. We all had fun. Let's move to another part. We have some questions. What was the special day يا ترى؟ إيه اليوم اللي كان مخصوص ده؟ The special day was، طبعا هنقول الإجابات وبعد كده هنعرضها. Was great grandma's birthday. Number two, who was at the party؟ يا ترى مين اللي كان في الحفلة؟ We can say all the writer's family include cousins, aunts and uncles all at the party. كلهم كانوا في الحفلة are at the party. Number three, what did the writer eat؟ يا ترى كان الكاتب كان ايه؟ What did the writer eat? We can say the writer ate a big slice of cake, some salad and fruit. Number four, what did the writer do? The writer at the party played games, ran, threw a ball, and sang happy birthday. Number five, why was it special day? Why؟ ليه كان يوم مخصوص؟ It was a special day because great grandma was very happy to say the whole family. Let's move to the answers. Here are the answers. Let's move to another part. We have here, think about the special day, complete the table with some notes, then tell your partner about your special day. هنفكر كده في يوم مخصوص، نكمل الجدول ببعض الملاحظات. then tell your partner، هتقول للشريك بتاعك عن اليوم ده. What was a special day؟ ايه هو اليوم ده؟ ايه هو اليوم ده المخصوص ده؟ Who was there؟ مين اللي هناك؟ مين كان هناك؟ What did you eat؟ كلت ايه؟ What did you drink؟ شربت ايه؟ What did you do؟ يا ترى عملت ايه؟ Why was it special day؟ ليه كان يوم مخصوص؟ Let's move to another part. We have here now, write your memory of a special day, draw a picture, write from 18 to 24 words. يعني نبدأ نكتب كده عن يوم ذكرى بالنسبة لي، ونرسم صورة عنه، ونكتب من 18 ل 24 كلمة عن اليوم ده. Let's move to lesson 5 project. Let's speak about lesson 5. We have here read, look, read and say. What can you see؟ يا ترى شايف ايه قدامنا؟ When do people use these things؟ امتى الناس بتستخدم الحاجات دي؟ Let's move to the answers. People use lanterns to celebrate Ramadan in Egypt. People also use them to celebrate many Chinese festivals, especially Chinese New Year. What about eggs? You can say painting eggs is a custom at Shamnisim. It celebrates the spring. Okay. And last part we have here kahk are eaten at many celebrations such as Eid. Okay, let's move to another part. We will read and say, what do people put on Christmas tree? يا ترى الناس بتحط ايه في شجرة الكريسماس او شجرة عيد الميلاد؟ In many countries, people decorate Christmas trees at Christmas. يعني الناس طبعا بتزينها في أعياد الميلاد. These trees are always green. دايما الأشجار دي بتبقى لونها أخضر. The trees represent new life. الشجر ده بيمثل حياة جديدة. People decorate the tree with lights. بيزينوها بأضواء أو أنوار. Colored balls كور ملونة and stars ونجوم. Okay, let's move to another part. Research symbols of favorite festival. هنبدأ كده. Work with a partner in a small group. نشارك كده مع شريك لينا أو زميل لينا أو صديق لينا في مجموعة. Choose a festival to research. هندور كده على احتفال نبحث عنه. Find the symbol of the festival. ندور على رمز لهذا الاحتفال. Research the meaning of the symbol. طبعا symbol رمز. Write a short paragraph about the symbol. هنكتب عن الرمز ده. Have a class display. ونبدأ نعرض ده على أصحابنا. Okay, let's move to another part. Do you remember? Label the pictures. هنبتدي نشوف ايه الحاجات اللي قدامنا دي. Number one, we can say yes, a bar of chocolate. A bar of chocolate. Number two, a bucket of cookies. A bucket of cookies. Number three, a bottle of water. A bottle of water. Number four, a carton of milk. A carton of milk. So, number one, a bar of chocolate. Number two, a bucket of cookies. Number three, a bottle of water. Number four, a carton of milk. Okay, let's move to another part. We have here, write the past simple form of these verbs. عايزين نجيب الماضي بتاع الأفعال اللي قدامنا. Okay, so let's move to the answers. Buy, bought, throw, threw, give, gave, run, ran, write, wrote, cut, cut, come, came, hear, heard, forget, forgot, fly, flew. Okay, to move to another part. Write from 18 to 24 words about what you did on your last birthday. Use 3 verbs from the box. يبقى هنكتب من 18 ل 24 كلمة عن ايه اللي عملته في آخر عيد ميلاد ليك، وهنستخدم 3 أفعال من الأفعال اللي عندنا زي eat, drink, go, see, so. وهنراعي إن احنا نجيب الباست من الأفعال دي. Okay, let's move to the last part in our unit. Think about unit 8. Write 2 things you enjoyed. هنكتب حاجتين استمتعنا بيهم في اليونت. Write 2 things you learned. حاجتين اتعلمناهم في اليونت. Finally, I'd like to thank you all. See you next session. حابب أشكركم. أشوفكم في سيشن جديد إن شاء الله. Goodbye.